Oh boy. Hello. Is that? Oh, I popped out chat. But don't worry. I can see you down there in the bottom. I have my phone next to me. Well, where is the Monet? More pastries, more references. Okay, so uh, here's the deal. Here's the deal. So none of my artist friends could do it. So that's right. We're using publicly available assets for this game, and so that's what I call epic in a way. So let's get started. I need to set a timer first. So set myself a 3-hour timer so I can cry when it's over. Oh boy. Currently keyframes are not being sent enough. The current keyframe open widget. This is why I clicked on this. This is epic combat. You betcha. You betcha. That's what it's all about. The stream status is poor. I need to set a stream keyframe frequency of four letters, 4 images or less. Okay. How do I do that? What am I doing? I'm opening up OBS settings. You get to, this is the real stream, OBS settings. This is what all the streams are like. You think that it's gonna be a game development stream, but it's really a me fiddled with settings and checking my email stream. Stream output. Video bitrate. Maybe that has something to do with it. Maybe we can like 2000. Maybe I don't know what keyframe frequency is, but if it's fine with you, it's probably fine for others. Okay, so timer. Emailing Jaden OBS. That's what it's all about. 3-hour time. The 3-hour time. Okay, here we go. 3-hour timer. Here we go. In 3 and 2 and 1. Here we go. Is it working? Oh wait, start. Here we go. Cool. It's ticking down as all of our lives. So let me just open it. So I got all of the assets down of it and set a frame resolution, fiddled around with putting the assets in the air. And so now it's time to do the program. You know, just do it, as they all like to say. Okay, so actually I should pop up this thing. So these are the things we need to do, and this is all the extra stuff. And here, so we got our components over here. So I'm going to start with the character, and I just realized that we don't actually have a character sprite, so we need to make that first, and then it's going to be controlled by the mouse. So you get to watch my awesome art skills, as it so happens to be. And of course, this happens because of my window manager. So new file. Let's set this resolution to be. How big is the car that we have? Ugh. That car beep us. That's right. This is okay. This looks okay. What does it look like in editor? That one. I guess I should make a world node first. Make a world, make a car. Okay. What does it look like? Okay, that's fine. And so this sprite is 19 wide. Okay, so maybe like 30. No, 64 wide and 19 tall. I'm a beepus. So 1964 what kind of delay are we looking at? We are looking around, I don't know, probably like 1 minute and 30 seconds. I can probably change that. Oh no, I can't do it unless I stop the stream. Also, this keyframe thing is happening. How to change the keyframe interval in OBS Studio. Settings, output, streaming. Okay. It won't really matter. That's fine. Hold on. Let me just open this up. Output, streaming. It's not letting me change it. So, yeah. Output mode advanced. We can't change it because we are streaming. So, okay, it's fine. It's fine. Next, like Ethan said, it's fine. We have 2 minutes, 2 minutes and 50 seconds. If I need to message you urgently, I will use Discord. Okay, cool. So this is 64 wide, and so 64, 64, maybe 85 by 85. Okay, so we get to see some art skills. We've got the, let's find a palette that we can use. No, I don't want to edit it. Node palette. We've got, no, give me the default palettes. This looks bubbly. Okay, 16 times the detail. So we do have a background. We have a background. So our background is this. So it's kind of bluish. We can scale it up. It's nighttime. It's fine. Probably in the next chunk of time, I'll probably make like more abstract assets and just forgo the cool theme. But we have to make an asset. I can't draw, so we gotta like most. So it's no wait. I wasn't going to use a character assets. I'm so dumb. I got these. I didn't buy them. These were free. I got these asset packs online, and they're pretty cool. You got this onion lad, like that. Mr. Mochi is 32 by 32, so I need to change my resolution. It was not good. This is like peak existence. So we got that running. Okay, so let's make a player character. So let's make a new scene. Make a kinematic body. This will be our player. And then our player has a player script. And then func process getter values and just return. We also need to change our input settings. I like to move left. I don't think we need to move up. We just move left and right. Move right. Move left key. Move right key. And then our player has onion lad. That's right. Velocity equals vector 2. Let's just set it to 0 for now. If input dot is action press, move left. Let's not write that down. Elif input dot is action press, move right. Turn velocity dot x plus equals 10. Make a speed. Let's make it 100. I don't know. equals 100. Velocity dot y minus equals 100. And then we can't return yet because we actually have to make the person. We have to make this. We have to make our player move. So we gotta move and slide velocity. No, not get floor velocity, but our velocity thing, and everything should work. Probably multiplied by delta. Save there. Add a sprite to our player. I'll add an animated sprite just to make things easier. Animated sprite. This we'll name it this to be our player sprite. Make some new frames. Go down to animation. Oh, we have to press the sprite frames. And then we make a new lad. Oh, that's not right. I have to press this thing. Sprite pack 1. Nope, it's sprite pack 2 that has our Mr. Mochi. This is like the best sprite I've ever seen. There's no better sprites than this. There are 4 sprites. Select all the frames, add them, and bam! We got a dude. And then we set the frames per second. Let's set it to 20. Loop, sure. Playing. Wow! He's zooming. Okay, sure, I like that. Frame 0. Wow, we lucked out on that. Let's remove this thing. Let's remove the car. Let's add our player. I need to change the resolution. What does that look like? How does he look like in the world? Very small. I'm gonna have the resolution. Divide by 2. Divided 2. Oh boy. I need to change the default scene. The one it runs, because I changed it to world. And there's our thing. Let's move our background over here, scale it down. Yeet. Okay. Make it a bit bigger. There we go. Move our player there. Okay. Small lad, big bread. Oh yeah. He's strong. Okay, could we make him bigger? I don't want to scale anything else. I think that's fine. It should be fine. Let's make a road out of a color rect. So I know in art, like, you know, things aren't usually absolutely black or absolutely white, but in this case it will be. So there, stretch this out. There we go. We've got a ground to lie on. And then I can just like flip horizontally, right? Cool. Okay, what am I doing? Left, right movement. I need to also add a collision shape. Do I? Yeah, we do. We need to add both a collision for him to collide with the world. Let's add a new rectangle shape. So here's our rectangle. Let's enable pixel snap so we don't get horrible, weird things. Floating points, basically. Floating points are evil. Yoshi cameo when? You want a Yoshi cameo? That will be in the 3rd chunk of time. When I finish working on this for the 3rd hour. How much time have we used? It's 2 hours and 47 left. Okay. That's fine. Player collision. Then left if player sprite dot flip h equals true. Player sprite dot flip. I'm gonna move my phone right in front of me. There we go. Equals false. Now this it shouldn't work. Well, maybe it will. Whee! Oh boy, what did I do wrong? There you go. I've been Y instead of X. Okay. Okay. There we go. Okay. The reason why it's doing that, I'm not setting it. Fursuit DLC Greennet, yes. This game is dedicated to Wesley Martin. Okay. Okay. I also need to let me change these real quick. Minus and plus. Change the speed from like 100 to like 900. What's the shortcut for play? Again, I forgot. Command B. Okay. 9,000. Okay, I'm doing something wrong. Oh, there we go. Well, something's... It's gonna be zooming. Okay. Okay. Okay, I like that. I like that. Alright, alright, alright. And then I could like sprite something to like sprite a metal plate over his head, but I'm just gonna have it bounce off. I can just change the scale of this dude to animate it. Okay, okay. Move and slide, velocity times delta, flip H, flip H. So we need to animate the thing. Okay. Player. We can make we have to make a state machine. Enum's player state. And then the player state is a thing that does things. So we have an idle state, we have a move state, we have a bonk state. Then we have var player state, which is a type player state, equals player state dot idle. Okay, we can't do that, but we just set it to int. Is a jump necessary, wanted, or no? It's not necessary right now. I might add it in the future. I might add it in the next one if the game's not exciting enough. If player state equals player state dot idle, player state equals player state dot move. If state equals play equals player. And actually, I don't actually have to write this twice. I can just copy this. If velocity not equals to vector 2.0 and the player state is idle, then we move. Then we set it to move. Sure. And then let's just print player state for for checking things. Okay, it's not going back to 0 when I let go. Because I never set it back to idle. Okay. Else player state equals player state dot idle. Okay. Let's try that. There we go. Cool beans. Now we have a player state, so we're going to use this to hook into our animation. So this is movement. This is state machine, and now we have to animate. Okay. Okay, so if player state dot move state dot player sprite dot play, what is it called? It's just called default. Let's change that to move. Move. Okay. So now play move. Okay. Of player state equals player state dot idle player sprite dot stop. Sure. And set the frame to 0. Is it 0? Set the frame to 3. I don't know. Player stop player sprite dot frame equals 3. All right, we've got a nice lad. He moves around. He isn't bad. Okay, I'm gonna check Discord a bit. See what anyone said. This game is dedicated to us. Thanks for posting that, Ethan. Run. Run. Oh boy. Okay, back in live chat. Who else is? It's just me, right? Me and Ethan. Yeah. All right. Stop being paranoid. Oof. Okay. We have this. So let's go back to our checklist. I said mouse controlled, but given this thing, we don't have anything, so yeah, it's keyboard controlled. So that's done. Lives. Let's just say to do. Okay. Bread, I think, is going to be the hardest part, so let's just make the cars. So let's put the car over here. Let's not make it a child of the player. Make its own object. All right. And then we just make a collision thing so we can't go onto the car. So this will be our play area. Let's also make the tower or bridge, whatever. Bridge. Make make it behind the road, and then change the bridge's color to gray. Oh boy, whatever color is nice. Okay, sure. And then set a collision thing over there. So now, or maybe we don't. We'll just set the collision with these cars. So I have to set an area 2D, and I have to set. I love the stark contrast of the car. Everything. Yeah, that's what it's all about. This is the pre-made asset life. I couldn't find any pixel art car, like, and I mean any pixel art car from the side, because when you search for pixel art car in itch.io under game assets, it only gives you top down stuff. So it's like, okay, I can't use any of this, and then I found this car, which is probably just a rip from Google Images and then scaled down, but whatever. We have to make some collision. Let's set pixel snap to true, set pixel snap in our settings. Cool beans. And then now our character shouldn't be able to go through here. It does, because I don't, that's just how programming works. Why? Why? I always have trouble doing collision stuff. Garbage. Oh wait, it only serves, so this has to be a static body. So we have to make a static body 2D. So, where is our body? Where is your body indeed? That's the big questions in life. You gotta ask yourself these things. Just use a top-down car and completely remake the game around it. Yes, yes, you've solved it. You've solved all of game design. This is how you make things. Use a top-down car and then completely remake the game around it. Kiki's Delivery Racing. It's a racing game. Maybe I should make a wall over there. So let's rename the car. Let's make a new static body. Rename this to border. Make a collision sprite. Collision sprite. I'd like if collision sprites were a thing. Then you don't have to like manually set things. Collision shape. Make it all the way up, and it goes pretty far down, and that's why you can't do barrier skip in Wind Waker until you could. It was pretty far down. Alright, now we have this thing working. Okay, okay, so what do we need to do? So cars, area 2D, I need to make an area. Let's make an area 2D. Area 2D, this will just like trigger stuff. Dough trigger? No, bread. So whenever a thing enters this zone, it does the thing. Control D, set a shape for oh, that's the border. The new fire remake for this game, and she's looking spicy. I am the embodiment of something. Of the embodiment of Nintendo. I am Miyamoto. I've been Miyamoto this whole time. Surprise. Okay, something, I'm just gonna use another color rect for that. I don't feel like, this is roof. Just gonna use the other, and then, this is the best way to do things, and then, and then we just rotate it, and then now look, you got yourself a roof. Just rotate it. I might make some like smell sprites. Let's make it. Yeah, you know, like that person said, if it's worth doing, overdo it. That's probably not the quote, but what can you do? Well, okay, sure. Oh, look, I see it's pixelated because of my game settings. See, it's big brain. Okay, so we got that. Now I think we make the dough. How much time have we used? Okay, we have half an hour to make the dough, and then 2 hours to make gameplay. Okay, I actually have to look up some stuff. Like Chris books, game dev, projectile formulas. I think I have this same thing in Mother 4, but I'm too late. I didn't commit it. It's on my laptop. I think I vaguely remember it, so I might be able to do it from memory if time comes to time. Time comes to time. Okay. Projectile motion. You gotta use physics 1. Okay, I just want... Oh, this is 3D space. Projectile logic. Please. Okay, okay, I'll do one more, and then I'm just gonna do it from memory. Okay, 2 more, fine. Oh, there it is. This is the one I used. Okay, so we have to make a bread sprite, because if you look up bread on itch.io, you probably might get stuff. It's because I didn't try. It's 64 by 64 sounds nice. 646, sure. Oof, that's still really big. Is the duck from DDG just Internet Explorer's persona? Internet Explorer tracks you and is made by Microsoft, while DuckDuckGo is very privacy oriented, even though they did a very bad mistake recently. So I'd say no. We can just make a black outline. See, that's a secret to Mother games. So I have friends who are really good at making Mother art, and like whenever I look, the secret to making really good Mother art is just having really thick outlines, and then there you go. You are an earthbound artist. Colors also do a lot, but who cares about colors? It's like audio. Who cares about game audio? You just leave it to the last bit and just wait until things happen. I'm so tired. I should probably refill my cup of water here. What did DDG do? DuckDuckGo, so DuckDuckGo shows icons in the mobile app. In the mobile app, DuckDuckGo shows various icons, and the icons pull from their server. So, which means that your IP address can be tracked from that. So, like every time you launch the DuckDuckGo app on your phone, it would reach out to the DuckDuckGo server in order to fetch the icons, and that's like a no-no. Because like, why do you need to reach out to a server to get me icons? Why can't you just have the icons locally on my device? Can I rotate this? I'd like to. Yes, magic. My God. There we go, bread. It's probably gonna look so small and insignificant in the actual. I'm gonna make it look so small, significant. Sure, that looks fine. See, this is how you. This is a real. This is the real way you get into game development. You just kind of be lazy. You swap the orange for brown and brown for tan. Orange for brown and brown for tan. So we've got this G. Looks like Garfield. That's what it's all about. This is the Garfield game. Okay, so let's save that. It does look better now, so where is Trijam? LMNOPT. No. Bread. Godot. Okay, now we have our bread. What does it look like? Oh my god! Okay. Okay. Boink, boink. Okay, let's change that. Nope. Sprite. Canvas. I need canvas size. And I just need to resize this. Pig bread return. Let's make the widths fine. Let's just do it by 62. Height 32. Let's Control C. 32. 62. Control Command X, Command B. 33. V. Sure. Big bread. So now that should tile better. Let's not use this. Let's shrink it down a bit. Search. Resize. Scale is probably what I'm looking for. Don't you love it whenever you like type in words into a search bar and then your computer freezes? Like it's just so like you can make all these games running at a solid 60 frames per second, but then when I type letters onto my keyboard, I have to wait. Okay, rand over. Scale. Nope. Sprite size. Percentage. 75. Method. Nearest neighbor. That's a bit janky. Oof, I don't like that. Let's just open up the eraser. Oof. That's fine. These pixels are not. Who needs pixels when you have mixels? Oof. Kind of like this one. Let's just undo it. Maybe we. Lock ratio. Don't want it too small. I mean, 75 didn't work really. It didn't work. Bilinear. Oof. 5. Rotation sprite. Okay, that's better. I think we can get away with that. At a Kevin cameo? Are you not a true baker? What does Kevin have to do with baking? I know Kevin is the furry. I know that much. I don't know what Kevin has to do with baking, though. Okay, I mean, sure, it's not as big as before. It's passable. Okay, so now we need to script our bread. Bread will be a kinematic body. And then we just set our bread position to be 0, 0. Okay, we also need to like add cool rotation things, but I don't know. Func ready. Okay, so func position over time takes in the current time and float. Maybe int. Let's try int, and then we can just always cast it to a float if we need to. Int, and then we need the actual position location, because position is already a taken identifier. So location vector 2 void initial. Oh, we can actually just set this to initial position, and then this will return a vector 2. So this takes time in our initial position, and then returns our position. Oh, we also need an impulse, an original impulse. Can you compromise and add an exorbitant amount of microtransaction and paywall restrictions? That's the way to get the gamers on your side. Yes, why do you think we did this in the 9-hour jam? What am I looking for? What do they name? Initial impulse? Is that what I can name it? What is it? What's the name of the thing? Initial velocity, sure. Velocity to indented. Okay, cool. Let's just return zeroed out vector. Do I still have it? Oof, sorry about that. No, I do not have that in my thingy majiggy, my clipboard. Okay. Okay, so X position, Y position, and then we just return a vector 2 with X position and Y position. And that is where our thing will be at that point of time. Okay. X position equals, okay, initial position dot x plus initial velocity dot x times time equals initial velocity position dot y plus initial velocity dot y times time plus let's just set gravity up here. Const gravity equals 9,000 equals gravity times exponent, because the default caret that only works in integers, so these have to be floats, and exponent is also wrong. It's pow. Time to 2.0 divided by 2.0. And that's this will work. Baking stream when? Maybe in the near future once this is done. I mean, like, this is a game with baking concepts, so technically you can already call this a baking stream. Save. Let's add a timer so we can calculate time. Bread time. I'll just set this to be very long. Um, um, okay, so we need to count up. Okay, so when we add this to the scene, bread time, start our timer, and then on every frame, process delta, on every frame, we're going to set our position over time, and then we'll set this to, so that's in seconds, so bread time dot wait time, no, time left. Oh, let's put this, so basically timers count down, but we needed to count up again, so time up minus bread time wait time. Let's just do this for good measure. Oop, not like that. Oof, not like that either, but I think that will work. Times negative 1.0, you have to make sure it's a float or else it's going to become an integer. But it should be an integer because of the way we set things up. So we have to cast this into an integer. Okay, initial position, position, no, we have to set an on ready. Location, initial location equals position, and then we just set this to initial location, initial velocity. Don't do that. We can just, it's going to be a variable eventually. Also, our constants should be first. So var hiddly-dee. Being a pirate is alright with me. Being a pirate is alright with me. I'm going to make music in my pirated copy of the music software that I own. Initial velocity. Let's just do velocity. Let's just do 5 negative 30. Okay. This should work, but I know it's not. So we're gonna wait 2 seconds. And I'm ready for this to not work. Clear our debug menu. Move our bread somewhere in the middle. We can always change it. 3, 5, 9. Oh boy, where did it go? To infinity and beyond, I guess. I'm kind of tempted to just get out my old code that I have in Mother 4 and just copy and paste it into here. Why is it okay? Okay, gravity. Maybe it's gravity. It's gravity. Oh, fuck. Process false. Process true because it's calculating bad things. That's why it's doing weird things. Okay. Okay. I think time is just weird. That's not like having to do anything with the game. That's just a statement of fact. Time is just weird. Zero, 1, 2. Okay, so it doesn't like having seconds passed into it, so we actually have to make it a float. Let's remove the last parenthesis. No, I don't want to start the game. All right, we've got bread. Let's get this bread. I don't like that thing. Alright. Okay, I don't know how to make it rotate, but that's a problem for future me. We have to make a bread spawner. Let's make it in our world. So here is the bridge. Here's how much time have I used? Okay, 2 minutes and 12. I'm going to burn the last 12 minutes. Oh, I have my water. My water cup is still filled up. Thank you, past me. Hopefully you didn't hear me gulping water. I'm sorry if you did, but that's just the way the cookie crumbles. Okay. This is all debug stuff. We don't need this. Okay, sure. You know what? I might rip from Earthbound. I like those Earthbound cars. I could probably shrink this down. Just kind of shrink down the border. Shrink down the border. That's what I'm doing, pals. Come here for the game dev. Come here for shrinking the border. Okay, now we have to make a bread spawner. Like in Minecraft, you make bread spawners so you never run out of food. This could just be a regular node. Position 2D probably. So it shows up with a nice cross in the editor. Add a node to it. Then we're going to add an animation player to our bread spawner, because the cool thing about animation player is that you can animate any property and you can animate any function over time. So we're going to use this to basically spew out bread at intervals. Bread spew. Make a new animation. I'll just name this level 1. We want to have levels. We'll make the level 30 seconds long. Add track. We need to spawn bread. Spawn bread. Bread to the void. Let's declare our bread scene here at the top. And then so we just add it to, we can add it to the bread spawner, it's fine. Preload bread to tseed. Add child bread scene.instance. Then we'll also add a visibility notifier to this. So when the bread goes out of scope, out of sight, it doesn't hog up resources on the computer. Visibility node screen exited bread, and then we just set this to key free. This is still printing stuff. Okay. Bread spew our thing on ready. We just have our bread spew plates thing. Play level 1, sure. A track, call method track on bread spawner. Functions insert key, spawn bread. Let's just snap to 0.1. Yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna snap to 1 second, so I can just do that. Then we can just spawn bread every second. Oh my god, I have to select spawn bread for every single one of these. Oh my god. I don't want to do that. Don't want to do... But I guess I have to click on spawn bread. Alright. Let's see, will it bread? Will it spawn bread? Alright. It spawned our bread. It spawned the bread. Also, that's a bunch of printing out, which I don't need. I think that's in the player script. Printing the player state, which we don't need. Because we're good at programming, hope sometimes. Okay, then bread, this doesn't have a shape, but it's fine. Transform back to 0, so it doesn't look weird. Boop, 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 boop. Alright, now the hard part, getting the bread to bounce. We have a whole... Also, I've been pinged on Discord. Who pinged me? Oh yeah, I shouldn't be on Discord while streaming, but... Okay, it's just Project Monitor, it's fine. 2 minutes and 6 seconds, wow! I said I was gonna get a drink of water 6 minutes ago. We're just so good at it. Now I just have to... I have my phone in front of me, which is good, because then I can just check my announcements here. The weekly weekend event on Magic the Gathering Online. Alright. I can buy... I can't buy because I don't have money. Or Magic the Gathering Online account. Well, I do, but I don't use it. Yeah, having bread spawn every second, that was pretty epic. Doesn't do anything, it's not a tool script. Okay. So what would be cool, okay. I'd like it so I can, as a tool script, and then I can like visualize its descent over time. Like, so as a tool script, for like I and 999, it just visualizes the... I think I could do that. Sorry, I'm not making very much sense with this. But when have I ever made sense with this? So, process if not editor engine dot editor hint. Do that. Not engine dot editor hint. So because we're gonna run this script in the editor. If engine dot editor hint. Actually, I think we can do this first. And then we don't have to do that because that will run in the editor anyway. So do that, and then just early return. And then there we go. Okay, okay. So we want, so for I and like 999, but we need, because it doesn't work well with integers. So we need all floating point. Oh, we can't just do, we need to specify a range. Because we need to do from like 1 to 0. That's weird. How do we do this? Because like what I want to do is like for index in 999, like add child node sprite.new, and then for position over time. And then like it would just work, but this only works with integers. So I need to find a way to get a range of floats, which I don't know how to do. So I'm going to look that up on my internet device. So Godot iterate over range of floats. Add range 4 with float step. That's what I need. Oh, wait, I can actually, there is a 4 step. Please tell me that there is. Is there a float step? Wait, is there a 4 step? Well, I'm going to try it. For index, this was actually, oh, okay. Oh, all right. For index in, okay, vector 3, 0.0 to 999.0, step by 1. Well, I'm just going to try this in the editor first. Print index. So that's pretty cool. Let's do that. Does that work? Oof. Did not print anything. Why is it not printing? Can we do that? Oh. Okay. Can't step. Okay. Oh, I forgot the in. Wait, nope. Nope, I didn't forget the in. It's actually fixed by 3720. Okay. I'm confused. Okay, I'm just gonna copy. Wait, is this? Was that issue merged in 4.0? Please tell me it wasn't. Oh, I think it was merged in 4.0. Okay, so we can't. This doesn't work. But the step is still floored, so for range, is that a thing? No. Okay. Okay, so there is a thing. So let's make our own function. That's what they said. If you won't give me those functions, we'll just make our own. So func range float, start float, end float, step float. And this returns an array. Of our return value equals pool int real. You can do that, right? Hold on. equals start, while I end turn value dot pushback I plus equals step, and then return value. Okay, cool. We got that done, and then now we can just do for I in range F, and then just start our code. Okay, that seemed to work. So 0, 1. Okay, so that's pretty weird. So floor, I think, returns to the smallest integer. That's not good. I don't want to go to the smallest integer. I want it to go to not have these horrible ranging points. Move towards nearest PO2 ord parse JSON. This is all GDScript functions, right? So floor ceiling, I don't know, clamp? No, that's not what I want. So I wanted the float to go to the nearest 10th. Is that what I'm asking? Maybe that's like the wrong question to be asking. Floor fmod get stack floor rounds. Is it round? Returns the integral value. That's no. Rounds upward. Rounds s to the smallest integer. Wraps around tau. Round. Nope. Okay. So we can't. This will be a problem for all of eternity. So at least we have a solution to that problem. So process, go back here, for index. So for index over here, we need to do the thing. So var sprite info. No. Sprite info is not right. We need to do, what do we name this? So this is basically going to hold the sprites that will like visualize the path that our bread will take. So bread path sprites. Bread path sprites. Okay, sure. Bread path sprites. If bread path sprites not equals 0 for sprite in bread path sprites, sprite.queueFree. Then we this is usually going to be true. Instead of this thing though, it's going to be index. Var sprite position, because this will be where our sprites will be placed. Then we make a new sprite, bread viz sprite. Let's make that sprite.new bread viz sprite. I wonder if we can set text now. Texture equals, texture is what? Let's look up sprite. Texture is a texture. Okay. Texture.new load. We need to load somehow. Stream texture. Okay. Our bread viz sprite texture equals stream texture dot new bread vis sprite texture dot load path load up just a Godot icon equals bread vis sprite texture, right? And then we add bread path sprites dot append bread vis sprite. Then we add child bread vis sprite, and then we set the location position equals sprite position. Look at that, I feel so smart. How much time did that take? All right, I am down to 1 hour and 51 minutes. It's okay. Feel positive. Feel positive. Then and then we just once that's done, bread paths sprites equals 0. And just in case, I don't think that's necessary, but I just have it just in case. Okay, so position, sprite, texture, we just load all the texture, just do this all manually. And then we just set, and then now I think we can add tool and reload screen. Hopefully that didn't break anything, but it probably did. Okay, invalid load path. Just load. Invalid type in position cannot convert from nil argument 2. Is that 0 indexed? Does that mean 012, like the third one? Velocity is what? Oh, initial location. Okay, initial location. That's let's just set this position. Ooh, I hope I did not crash Godot with too many instances. I probably did. Especially when you're doing 999 of them. Okay, so Godot's gonna crash. Oops. Oops, I did a baddie. I crashed Godot. That's gonna eat up so much time. And probably crash my computer because it probably didn't save the memory properly. We did that right, so that's done. Hold on. I was called wrongly, and I did not. That was not my name being told. Okay, so that's done. Timer's done. I'm doing tool mode right now. Cars, they have an area 2D, so that's done as well. Whew, it's hard to type. Okay, that's done. That's done. Tool mode is just dark green good. Oh, nope. Doot. Okay. Let's find this file. Documents, programming. Yes, it's in programming Trijam. One day. GD bread. Should not have done in 999. Instead of 999, let's just do 10. Let's just do 10, or even 5, 3. 3. I have Godot saved down there. Just open up Godot. Okay, here we go. There's no one in chat, which is okay. Let's just check Discord. All right. Where's Trijam? All right, opening it up. I should get some water. Ooh, that break. You're breaking. It's not outputting any. Oh, output. What's wrong? What is going on? Okay, fine. We just won't have any. What is going on? I just wanted to load a texture. That's so hard. Okay, fine. We'll just make a color rect. And then we'll just set the extents to... Okay, let's stop being in tool mode. Let's just reload the scene. Okay, sprite.new. They're all nodes, so this we just have to set this to rect position. Breadviz sprite, texture. We don't need any of these. Color rect.new. Sure. Let's add tool mode. Okay. It's not working. Okay. Let's wait. Print sprite. That should be working. I should be able to see them. Oh, maybe just the extents is just 0, so I have to actually give them a size. Maybe this is all a waste of time. I hope it's not. And here it's control. Rect size, let's just make it Breadviz sprite.rect size equals vector 2 10. Can we see it? Yes! Oh my god, yes. I'm so happy. And then now if we move the bread around, oh boy. Here we go. Yeah. Okay. So okay. We could even set like gravity to different things. Okay, that's really weird. Oof. Let's revert the seed. So if we set gravity to like 900, it's gonna do it again, but refresh, reload. Will it? Okay. So we just have to set to like 300. Okay, it's not what I want. $150. $120. Sure. That looks good. Okay, that's very fast. Maybe 90 was right. Let's do 100. Okay. Oof. Boing, boing. Okay. No. Okay. Boing. Okay. Okay, I like that. That's better. Though. I just wanted to start a bit back. I made bread. We don't need this. I need this. Boop, boop, and then you just bounce. Bounces off your head, bounces off your head, bounces off your head. So now we need a way to. This is the hard part. This is why it's good we still have an hour and 41 minutes left. We're gonna spend an hour and 41 minutes just determining how to get the bounce, how to make our thing, our bread bounce. So that's it. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, so we need to add an area 2D. Add an area 2D, add a collision shape. Collision shape. I don't think that this needs a thingamabob. I forgot. Collision shape, like just raw, just on the bread, because we don't really care. So basically, whenever bread bounce area. Can I rename this? Please, like double click to you like so many times. Bread bounce area. Ooh, that's not good. It's not really not good. Weird. Okay. Okay. Body entered. Connected. We could have bread and the player on the same physics layer. I think it should be fine. Print body dot name. No. Yes. We can just do if body. We don't. It's fine. We just set class name to player. There we go. We had yeehaws. Yeehaw. 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 Okay. So then when we get that, can we just set initial position to be our current position, and then it just works? Initial position equals position. Okay. Okay. Bread time. Bread time dot restart. Reset. Let's just look up the documentation for timer. Okay. I'm gonna start it again, hopefully. Yee! Oh! Oh! Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's peak existence. Boop. Boop. Boop, 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 boop. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ha ha. Gotta... We did it. Well, we did most of it. And we have to set the velocity too. So, do velocity equals vector 2 60. If we make it non-negative, what does it look like? So I don't think this really matters. Oh yes, it does. It's actually going up, and that's okay. Reload the scene. Okay. 300. Okay, not good. Okay, and so it's gonna be like around here. Okay, that means this needs to be like 15. Okay, 20. Okay, 150, 170. Maybe I should add like a set get. Let's change this to 30. Yeah, that looks right. 25 might be better. Okay. So this is our next velocity. Now we just have to, just have to spam until it was the original. And then we just revert. Okay. And then, okay. I got really in the zone. Okay. Bop, 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 bop. Okay, I have to bop them twice though, right? Bop, 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 oh, bop, bop, bop. Alright, we've got a game. We have a game, ladies and folks. Alright, we've got a game. Alright, we have a game. It actually does stuff. Alright, let's hope our singular viewer checks in. Bop, 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 bop. It's all jittery, but it's fine. Bop, whoop. Let's see this game. You want to see the game? Yeah, that's right. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We got it. And then boing, 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 boing. Boy, I'm making the sound effects because everybody knows you save audio for last. And there we go. That's the entire game. I should find some free-to-use audio for this. This is peak gaming. Oh, sorry, I opened up Discord. I hate it when I do that. And I have an hour and 32 minutes left. I can polish this game all the way to the moon. Just kidding. I can't do any game polish at all because I'm not good at assets. Okay, you know what I can do? I can. Can I stream and record at the same time? I guess I could. Do the breads go in the car? They will eventually. Maybe I should solve it before I record a thing and show it to my artist friends and hope that they change their opinion in making art for this game. Maybe I should make the breads go to the car. So let's make it so when the breads hit the car, they just disappear. Okay. Also, like we have a quote unquote level editor, so like our level is what 30 seconds long, and then look at that, we can just edit when the bread. So right now the bread just falls every second, but if we want to, we can like make it every other second. So like we've got tools to make games right here. If you this is so you know how you can mod games in Skyrim. This is basically your modding software right here. And then just like bang, boing, and then bang, boing, and then bang, boing, boing, and then so make it whenever it touches the car, it just disappears. Also add an audio cue. Yeah, that's the thing. I'd like to have audio cue, but I don't. If you want to find audio for me, that'd be very nice. And then just DM it to me. I'd appreciate that. If you whatever you think, this game has no sound whatsoever right now. So let's make a car script. Let's just class name car, so we can do if it's a car. We don't really need to do anything for this. All right. Because I don't really know what like it should sound like or what the car should actually animate and do. There you go. See, all the bread's going in the car. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. I'm saying that all right. I just don't know what to do next. What are my next high order concerns? So we can make our levels. We can maybe make scoring. I don't think you do score. Oh, lives. We make another collision. Oh no! Why did it do that? Collision shape. Oh, we need to make this a thingamabob. Static body. Set the transform to 0. Are these both trans 0? Okay. And this is where if the bread touches this, you lose points. That's where it is. Okay, so this is bread border. And we'll just add a script. And we don't really need any of this. You can just say class name bread border. If body is bread border. Oh, hello, Okado. We are making a game. It's something. Okay, if body is bread border, then we just queue free, and then we give our player a slap on the wrist. Hell. Okay, okay, let's just let one fall. Okay, it fell down into... Alright. Okay, alright. There's our game. Okay. So we will emit a signal. We'll bread... Okay, so signal bread destroyed. And then the type, whether it's destroyed good or destroyed bad, or success, that's probably better. So we just said true or false. So when we die, we want to emit a signal. We want to emit bread destroyed. And then in our bread spawner, we want to keep a reference of all the bread that currently exists. Bread existences? What do I name this? Breads? That's fine. And then breads. Oh no, now we need to make this a variable. Huh. Var bread equals, and then add child bread. And then we add to our breads dot append bread. And then we have to connect to the signal. Connect signal on target. I think, no, we have to do bread dot connect. Bread destroyed on self on bread destroyed. When the bread goes out of scope, we also need to remove that bread from the breads array. So I'll just keep that in mind. Hopefully I won't forget. Success, this is a boolean, void. If success, do something else. Print eat, else print yoked. Emit signal bread destroyed, and false if body is car. Emit bread destroyed, true, because you're successful. Maybe I need to, for that one, need to vary this up a bit. I need to add like a hit count. Let me add that to my bread. Okay, tool mode got done, so that's done. Variable velocity bread hit count. Okay, so now we should be able to, we don't need this anymore. We should just, the bread spawner should have, and then we also need to remove the bread from the scene. So I'm thinking of just passing the bread, like passing the bread object. I know it's frowned upon, but hey, whatever. You should, like, they don't want you to pass self. It's fine. It is a kinematic body. Does UI fall into extras? Right now it does. But let's see, how much time do we have? We have 1 hour and 23, but we might be able to knock it out. And then we just remove bread. Dot remove breads.find bread. And then now we should get yeet and yote. In our editor. Let's just let the last one fall. Yote, yeet. Alright, now we can, do we want, okay, so we said that we wanted to have a quota. Gotta go fast, you're right, Okano. We want to have lives, and we want to have lives, we gotta have a quota, and basically levels. How long is that? No, I keep opening Discord. Hour 21. Okay. We feel okay. So let's make lives. Let's put it in this corner. We will make a horizontal box container. And then this will be filled with textures. Texturex. These are live 1, live 2. Maybe we should zero index this because we'll probably be like doing some string appending things, but it's fine for now. We can select all of these, and then we will go to our sprite pack 2, go to Mr. Mochi, go to make a new atlas texture. I think idle should be fine. Nope, we need to open up the atlas texture and go to atlas and put the idle texture in atlas. And then you've got yourself a nice little pal. Oh no, you leaky mother for yes. Don't tell Smalls. If you tell Smalls, I will be eviscerated. So don't do that. But don't, like, when have we not leaked Mother 4? Leaking Mother 4 is a rite of passage. Let's just make this really big. I need to find a better car. Maybe I should just rip an Earthbound sprite. That probably will do okay. Okay, so, and then we can just make these, okay. So, container, okay, bread spawner. Okay, if success yeet, else yote, emit signal, ignore bread die, emit signal, bread die, and then we will connect. Did you make any assets? I made 0 assets. That's what it's all about. Unready. Or someone else. No, it's just me. Unready var. It depends on using them. The current assets, like, I'm thinking about just kind of like, since this is a 9-hour jam, instead of the usual 3-hour, I'm thinking of just making it for the next 2 chunks, just making more abstract programmer arts assets, and maybe some music and sound, because I don't think I'm gonna have time to make music and sound. Connect. We need to connect the bread spawner. Bread die, connect it to our live container. Lives -1. Ooh, is this burnout? Hope it's not. and then so it becomes 3, 2, 1, and then we need to find the one. Okay, so find node. Outsourcing. Get node live plus string lives. So like 3 dot visible equals false. And then if lives minus 1 equals 0, just get tree dot quit. And lives minus 1. Oh, we need to... No, this is fine. Oh, almost missed that. Then if I miss. All right, cool beans. Okay. Okay, so should I be making... What do I do now? So I have lives, and then I technically have... Maybe I should add a score count. Or am I doing levels? If I'm not doing levels, then that means I'm randomly generating bread, and I don't know how to do that. I mean, like, I can just like every time a timer runs out, just flip a coin, heads, make a bread. I could just make infinite bread. Game over screen, title screen, maybe. I just like so yeah, game over title screen, it would be nice. Do I want to make like a way, or should I like work on like how do I actually win this game? Or do we even win this game? Is it just like an infinite loop? So that's what I'm asking myself. Do I either like make a single level with our animation node over here, or do I just have it just do random? Well, what would be easier? It would probably be easier to just make a single level, and then when you beat the level, you win the game. I think that's fine. I'll just do that. I'll just make this a minute long. Okay, so in the beginning, maybe you're given a single one. And then... And then after that takes 4 seconds, and at 5 seconds, you get another one. And then maybe you get 2. Let's click these random. I'm gonna duplicate keys, right? So, why isn't it not doing the duplicate? It's weird. I don't like this. And then I just when I play the game, there's just so much bread because of all the duplicate nodes. And then 19. Well, maybe. No, that did not do anything. I hope there's just one node there. Okay, then maybe there's 3 at a time here. This is pretty annoying. I have to right click and press spawn bread every time, and I don't think like you can change this, so the only function is spawn bread. It's getting pretty hard to see as well. So that's 3, and then we wait, and we spawn a bread, and we wait, then we spawn 4 bread in a row, because if I can handle 5, you can handle 4. And then maybe we're gonna set the snap to 0.5. Oh yeah, we're getting pretty frisky up here. At the 33-second mark, we spawn bread, and then we spawn bread half a second later. They're never gonna see that coming. And then we're gonna like do a syncopation thing here. So ba-ba, and then 37. Ba-ba. See, it's like jazz. You gotta feel the rhythm of the game. Feel the rhythm, I say, but I haven't even play tested this. And then I think, yeah, when this finishes, then I'll make a you win the game thing. How much time do I have left? 1 minute, 1 hour 12. I can totally do that. Oh, and then we're gonna start a chain every half second, every other half second. Oh boy, the level opportunity is just out of this world. Okay, let's just do 5, or yeah, 5 in just rapid succession. And then sure, and then we'll just do 1, 1, and then and then for the last is just, can you handle 10 in a row? Oof. Here we go. This is it. This is peak level design. Let's play the game. All right. Maybe I should get rid, because you can kind of hit the side. And maybe I need to add a amount it's hit, because right now it's just going up the same velocity every time. So it's kind of predictable with that. Oof. Oof. Oh. Oh. Or maybe not. That was pretty fun. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh no. Oof. Oh no. Oh no, what have I done? Oh, oh no. Hmm. Hmm. Oh boy. That was okay. Yeah, game over. Game over success. Game over. Hmm. Oh, thank you thank you very much, Okano. Just tell me when you, if you, yeah. Just... Variable velocity, bread hit count. Okay. A quota. Game over screens, I think. So I did that. Did that. So I'll just make this game over screen. Success, fail. That's what I'm going to work on right now. Let's make Useed. Over success. Game over fail. I'll make a texture rect. This will be our BG. Set the texture to be our background texture. I don't remember the scaling setting, so it's gonna appear off. What is our transform? Let me just copy this over. And then just 1.425, okay. Oh crap. Oh, nope, not minimum size, I have to set the scale. That's where the center is, right? That's what I assume is the center. So we just divide these by 2, right? Game name? I don't have a name for this. What did my friend suggest? Baking in the Plague, because I wanted this to kind of had like a COVID-19 references, because like the reason why we're bouncing bread to the cars is because like the bakers are social distancing, and we're like the character sprite would have a mask, but I don't think that. Maybe something short, simple, something one word or 2. Bouncy Bread. That is the name. That's the name of the game. Bouncy Bread. Oop. Sure. Okay. No, it should be here in bread border. Get 3 cut quit. Get 3 dot change scene. Oh, my 18th century bread cart won't work then. Maybe like a truck. If you can salvage it like that. I mean, like, I hope you did. Okay. It's. Okay, let's just let them all fall. Boop. Oh, that was game over success. Oh no. My internet cut out for a while. Pressing Alt. Text direct. 1.425. Okay, so this should work. Boop. Game over. We'll just have. Oh, hurt. There's a hurt sprite. There we go. He's precious. The bread thing. Oh, thank you very much. Oh yeah. All right. Yeah, I actually have to go on Discord on stream now. Thank you, Okano. Thank you very much. Open original. I can just text ratless this. That means I have to open up a web browser. I have to load JavaScript up. You'll know JavaScript is the best language. Okay, Trijam game. Okay, I hope I remember where I put all of my assets when I'm done. Center. Scale. Teach them how to say goodbye. Game over. Font. Set the font to monogram.ttf. Oh, nope, I have to set new dynamic font. Oof, that aliasing. Is this scaled in any way? Okay. I have to disable aliasing. Disable aliasing on fonts is really weird and hard for some reason. I don't know why. Like, you have to like make a new resource and then you have to save the resource to not be, but even then, like, Godot sometimes reverts it and it's weird, it's horrible. Okay, outline. I'll make it black. Outline size. 1 should be fine. Text color, font color, red. Make a restart button as well. Boop, boop. Burp. I could probably run this on my Switch. Can't run much Godot games on the Switch. Many Godot, that's what I should say. This would probably. And then make a big old restart button at the bottom. Texture button would be cool, but wow, I said texture button would be cool, and then I added texture button. That's cool. I'm good at games. I'm the best game developer. Just kidding now. I'm horrible. And I'm gonna set the button label to be center this, and then set hurt. Then, okay, font. Oh, nope, wrong one. Custom fonts, set custom font to be monogram. And set it to 40 is what I think it was. Restart. Oh, we don't need to change colors. Node pressed, cancel. Mirror failed, let's just built in this. Create. No, I don't need to make. What am I doing? I just need to connect the signal. Pressed, game over. Get tree. Change scene. World. Cool. Cool. And then we just do literally the same thing. I wonder if I can just copy and paste these. Just copy this into our... No. No, I can only duplicate them. I mean, like, maybe I could make a programmable thing and then just, like, set an auto-loaded variable to say it, and then it just checks, and it just makes various things turn on and off visible. I'm lazy, I don't want to do that. Label. I'd rather just burn through my time. Text direct. I'm gonna set our Mr. Onion Man. Jumping. Yes, it's adorable. And then we can just make it golden. See? It's perfect. And then once this is done, we'll get to implementing Okano's spread. Okay, that just vanished. I'm gonna set it to 40. 40 seems to work. You win. And it's all hopeful. Like nothing in the world is bad. What's a good yellow? I think this is fine. An orangey yellow. Do-do-do-do. That's what it sounds like. Making a ground thing, thank you. And then restart. Not a label, a button. I really like labels. Teach them how to say goodbye. Say goodbye. Okay. Cool. I know him. And then pressed on game over success, and then just do our same get the tree thing, boilerplate by this point. Okay. Now we add in Alcano's good assets. Car. Bread. So texture, just reset this, I guess. Like an atlas texture. But nope, not like that. Go into our texture region, and then we just blend. I love it. It's adorable. Open our bread. Let's get this bread. Make this a new atlas texture. Open up our atlas, put Okana's texture in the atlas, and then just... I'd like to make it rotate. I don't know how to do that. Maybe I need to make like, I don't know, like a corner impulse thing. I mean, like if I used... if I just used the rigid body, maybe it would be easier. But, I mean, it was easier to make it in the first place with just the other thing, so I don't know. So select our collision shape, shrink it down, move this up. There we go. Okay. Maybe make it. Shoot. I need to make it go all the way into rotation degrees. Yeah, oh wait, sorry. I was thinking of like it rotates depending on where you hit it instead of just, you know, like baking the animation. And that's like way more complicated than it needs to be. Like, oh no, I'm at my last no. Thank you very much. Tiles horizontally. All right. Yeah, so add an animation player that animates the rotation degrees, and then when you hit it, just rotates. Okay. How should I do this? I feel that I just 9-patch wreck this. Hex. Tiles horizontally, huh? What is game vertical resolution? I think it's 410. Let me check. No, it's 205. It was 410 and then I halved it. Okay. Just, can I do that? Okay, like the opposite. No, let's save this like that. Maybe I don't think I can 9-patch this. That's what's stretched. Yeah, I actually just have to straight up use a tile map. Yeah, just use a tile map. It's easier. I don't have that much time to burn now. Floor, square, tile set, new tile set. Open the tile set, drag our stones. New single tile. There we go. Make it below the cart. Below everything, really. Just use several sprites. Well, I mean, you didn't like seeing that? I had very fun manipulating a 9-patch rect. Or 9-slice. That's easier to say. Okay, so now I just need to I need to find some audio assets. And then I just need to just find the audio assets and then we're done. Right, I just play test for the final 45 minutes. Oof. Maybe this is a bit too hard. I haven't beat it like this yet. Oof. And it's like, what do I do with the next 3 hours? Like, this game feels already finished. Cart. Okay, so I can move the cart. But probably the best thing. Or I can invert it. But then text would be inverted. I'll just move it. Boop, boop, boop. There we go. Looks better. Much better. Okay. Okay, so I need give it a shadow. Give the card a shadow, or just give like literally everything a shadow. So made the player shadow and the cart. And just use a text direct for that. There's no like texture circle. No, that's not a thing. Make some shadows. I can just add the shadow to the cart. Place bread into a cart like a score counter, like bread score draw bread. Bread score draw bread. So like tally marks. Like every time you get another bread, it like makes a vertical bread thing. You can make these shadows. Teach them how to say goodbye. That's that. Not good enough. And then the alpha channel, make it dark. Shadow. Bootleg shadows. Alright. Okay. The best shadow. I should make it darker. No, what that thing said, like, if it's worth doing, overdo it or something. The best shadow. How much time do I have left? Oh, people have pinging. It's just my D&D group. You don't need to see any of that. Okay, okay, what am I doing? So, shadows, red sprites. Okay, let me just... So I've done that. Let's say done. Okay, so these are all done. Extra scoring time limit per level. We already technically have that. Pause UI, storefront animation. Okay, so bread score, and then let's just do that. Shadows, that's what I was doing. I have 46 minutes left. I probably should use the last half hour to play test, because right now it does not seem very easy. It's an understatement. Correct. Make correct. And then like building the game doesn't count at the time, so I can just eat up all the time. Oh, I need a web browser. Oh, I have Firefox in this machine, I think, so I can test it. Because WebGL doesn't really work in Brave for some reason. Maybe a shadow shader. Is that a thing? Do shadow shaders exist? Oh yeah, also audio of any kind. That would be nice. I hope I won't have to make that. Okay, so right now the bread's going over the cart, so I should probably make it go under. Where is the bread? The bread is a child of the bread thing, the bread spawner. So I make the bread spawner under the cart, and that should fix it. And then we make the bread score, which is it pretty tricky? I could just hard code all of the sticks, or I could do something a bit more tricky. So how do I kind of need to draw it out? Do I still have Asprite? I still have Asprite open. Cool. So so what does it look like? It looks like this, C4, 5. So do you want to do this? How would we do this programmatically? So that's like an H box holding 4 pieces of bread, and then when it reaches 5, it adds a diagonal one on top. So okay, so we have a control node, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 in an H box, and then we have a diagonal one. And then depending on the score, we just increase that. Okay. Before I do that, I want to change this bread thing. When does it actually get hard? I need to time that out. Okay, so goodbye YouTube chat for now. I guess I could like open it on my screen, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna open up a clock app on my phone, so I know when it gets hard. And then I just recalculate from there. Okay, so bounce. Boing, boing, boing. That's all the sound effects you need. Boing. Pretty epic sprites. I like them. I trust these sprites. Okay, it's getting harder. Oh man, I should 37, 38, 39. Okay, we're on the 40-second mark. But if I am going to change like the velocity thing, then it's gonna. Okay, then this is where it got really hard. So I guess let's remove this. Remove that. Remove the middle one here. Let's just remove this one as well. Sure. And then, oh my god, I don't even know how this ending is gonna be like. Okay, hello. Okay, so for I bread count, I over 1,000, draw bread behind cart, rotation, or something. Draw bread behind. Oh, were you talking about like the cart fills up? I thought you were talking like about a tally mark system. Like the more bread that you add, then like the cart fills up. Okay, I like that. Why is there D&D group? It's like, why did I have 12 notifications? Bread score / fill cart. I'm going to add in the bounce thing, the bounce amount, because that's something I want to add. I don't know if it's right, but or bounce amount 0. So if it's body's player, then if bounce amount, so we increase the bounce amount. If bounce amount equals 1, if bounce amount equals 2, so 0, 1, 2, yeah. Velocity equals, I think the 25 is nice. We just wanted to go down a bit faster. No, fill the cart. Yeah. Just so like 140. I could probably test it out, but we could just test in real life. See how that goes. Okay. I like that. Well, I mean, it doesn't really matter because you're only bouncing twice. So I guess I should move it over a bit, huh? I mean, this is hard enough. I'll do that in the next thing. I'll make probably more difficulty levels. I need to make like an aroma thing. Oh boy, I don't know if that's possible. That ending thing that just happened. I think this just gives a bit of flavor right now. It doesn't do anything mechanically different. Okay, cart stuff. Okay, so when we have to script the cart, which we already do. Which bread success, bread die, okay. Bread die goes to the cart. Bread die. Oh, okay. No, that's wrong. Because I don't actually. I need to differentiate between a successful bread and a non-successful bread. Signal bread success. Emit signal bread success. I am eating up my time pretty quickly. Okay, life container, we can disconnect there. I need to check how much time I have left. Okay, so bread scene. Let's make a new bread scene. On ready var. Bread equals preload bread t scene. What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay. Add child bread dot instance, and then we'll just see where the position is. How much time do I have left? 37 minutes. Okay. Not. Is it not a thing? Cannot preload resource at path. Why? It's already being loaded cyclic reference. Oh shoot. In the car? Why? That shouldn't be a cyclical reference. Maybe I'll just do the sprite then. Like, where am I referring to bread within the car? Is it is it because I'm doing this class name thing? That could be. Like, if I click bread, we just, because it's referenced here, so that's why we can't do it. That's weird. I don't like that. Okay. Okay, so figure it out. We just make our own bread. We just make a new bread static scene that has a random rotation depending on what we want it to do. So I can just do this. This will be a texture rect, and then we can just use the controlled stuff. So we'll name this static bread. We'll make a new atlas texture. We will go over to nope. Gotta make sure, gotta add this to the atlas. And then we will highlight the bread. Is there an outline? No, there's no outline. And then when it's added to the scene, we just kind of have it sticking up. So we can just give it. So void rect rotation equals rand range from pi to pi over 2. Static bread, sure. Okay, that's wrong. Maybe it's in degrees. 93. Okay. That was not what I was expecting. We can just, you know what? We can just kind of just rect rotation. So we want it to be 90, 80, 89. So 106, 67 to 106, sure. 67, 106, randomize. And then reset the rotation. Okay, cool. And then our cart, we don't have to, we can just static bread.tc, and then add child bread. Okay, and then it's going to be spawned somewhere, but we can fix that. We just okay. Oh, bread at instance. Oh, it's right now. He's like he can do the slide thing. So whoa. Okay. I don't think there's enough variation and rotation. So okay. So we need to set the position to. I guess they're just right now. They're just being added to the X. They just set new nice background. Okay. Thank you, Okado. Ooh, it even animates. This is APNG or GIFs? Okay, it's GIFs. So we need to convert it into I don't think it was GIF import. I just need the frames anyway, so. Import the following file formats. So I need to GIF sequence, so GIF to image sequence. I don't think I have FFmpeg on this system. Okay, split GIF image. Okay, we got it. Open or paste images URL. There we go. Here you go. I can set whatever format. This is fine. Split images. Okay. Download frames as zip. Let's just save it to our Trijam directory and then just open it. Oh, okay. It's fine. Oops. Wow, I already had it open. I just had to reopen it. And then we just set it to be some... Oh, does it not have what? I might have to use... Oh my god, it... Okay, thank you, Okano. You win again. Yeah, there we go, we just do that. One. Oof, hopefully this is a different one. Yes, okay. Almost. Change type to an animated sprite. Sprite, new fright streams. No. All right. Huh, why is it ended up being a bit too big? Oops. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 5, 3, just 2. Oops, that's so nice though. I just scale it down. Ooh, not like that. There you go. Teach them how to say goodbye. All right. Just need some kick-ass audio somewhere, I don't know where. And then we'll be done. Oh, we also need to edit that. It's awesome. This game turned out way better than I thought it would be. I should also add arrow key support for the Europeans out there. Boop. Okay. Bread. So we have the car, and then we are adding texture rects to it. Let's just pretend it's our texture. Where do we put it? So rect. It said bread too. Oh my god, you're so generous. Oh. Okay. I love that. Okay. let me finish this first, and then I'll import your sprite. So put it 9, negative 23. Let me write that down. I can just copy and paste it, whatever. Var bread. Our bread instead equals, and set the rect position. Instead dot rect position equals vector 2 negative 9 23. Okay. Oh, I know what I should do for the next 3 hours. I should like add a normal map onto the floor texture and then make like a lighting system. Oh wait, no. The things just completely disappeared. Okay. It's not good. It's not good when that happens. I can wait. I don't know. Wait, can you rephrase that? That should be, it's weird. Bread instant. Oh, I guess it's not. Hold on. I'm trying to think this through. I'll just go, you know what? I'm just gonna add a static bread. Just, okay. And where do I add it? Yeah. 9, negative 30. This is rect position, right? Yeah. Oh, I did negative 9 20. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. We've gotten somewhere. We just need, so we're adding a child. Adding it. It's going on top of the thing. So the way we fix this is we just make this a parent, a child of the world instead of, where did the car sprite go? Here we go. Ew, back on scale funky. Oh yeah, ooh, there's pixels over there. I need to scale it to an integer. Okay. Okay, I can just, I need to, what do I need to do? Clip content? Okay, so scale. Oof. Let's see here. Yes, we still have horrible pixels. This is too. That would fix it, but I mean, like, now we can't. Now that we can't see the moon. Move over. Add 90 degrees to beads. Move over and down. Yeah. I think we just gotta keep it. Just hope nobody notices too much. Doesn't bother anyone. No one dies. We could say it's a aesthetic choice. I mean, like, none of the ones that are, well, yes, some of the ones. Okay, so move it over and down, add another 90 degrees to it. Sure. Cart. So let's just add a 12, 12, 16, 30. We need to move it down, so we need to make this more positive. 20. Or I can just like add a make the shadow opaque, and then there you go. That's one way to solve it. Oof. And then put the cart above. Put the floor like on the very top, behind the player. Put that there, and then put the player on top. Should fit 1-to-1. Okay, I trust you. I need a better way to test this instead of playing through the game. Okay. Oh no, the bread cart is funky. Move the bread cart a bit down so you don't have any more of that. And then move the bread up. Add 90 degrees to bread, so I need to do that still. Ooh. Add 90 degrees, yeah. Oh, maybe because I should, yeah. I see what you're talking about. Static bread. Okay, so -124 to -68. I can just make these negative. I know I have like what 8 minutes left. I started as a 3, so oof. But hey, we know how to fix that. I need to randomize it, don't I? Yeah. I need to make. Oh, I already am randomizing it. Move it down. How much time do I have left? 20 minutes. Okay, I thought I had 8 minutes left, so we still have some time. Car. So, more positive, so maybe like 15. We can push it down. Oh, that's what you mean by it should fit 1-to-1. Oh, I appear that I can't lose any lives. Oof. Not like that. Bread border. Boop. Need to move it more down. I mean, they're all like trending towards a vertical position, which is not where I want to be, but it's okay. I mean, that looks fine. I can probably make it a bit more down, a bit more to the side. 5, 2, 12, 12, -2. Okay. And then I'll just export this to all the platforms. There we go. It's adorable. Adding sound. Probably like ask someone in the Trijam Discord, hey, I need audio for my game. Or just ping someone. Oof. Oof. It's getting a bit more complex. Make sure I can actually beat the game. If I can beat the game, then not a lot of other people can beat the game either. Oof. Oh, I still can't lose lives. Oh boy. It's not good. Oh no. Ugh. Well, I should have lost anyway, but let's see if we can win. Okay, we can't win. So when the animation player finishes, we talk to... Who do we talk to? Who's managing the actual winning and losing? Is there a life container? I think it's life container. Okay. So bread's view, animation finished. Talk to life container. Change get tree. Change scene. Game over. Game. Hide ugly gray. Make bread come from tube. Yes. Oh, I forgot about the tube. Move black bar down because you can see it through floor texture. Okay. I need to download the tube. Kano's tube. Come on, we have 16 minutes left. Speedrun time. Oof. Also, why can't the bread win anymore? Okay, floor is... That's why the floor is really janky. Maybe I could just put in a different collision layer. Or just have it make no collision at all. Hopefully, though, is that what I need to do? Collision, layer, mask. Okay, so, I mean, all those three things are good, but... Oh, crap. I need to be able to actually lose lives. Why is it not working? I just hide the floor. If I hide the floor, can I lose lives? It's not colliding at all with... Okay, that's... What am I doing wrong? What am I doing? Like, there's bread border. For fix life. Yes. Okay, actually doing... Okay, it's colliding. It's the thing that's not updating. Why isn't our life container updating? Is it that I rename something and then I don't have a bread spawner? Oh. Oh. Why is it not... Is it not getting the signal? On bread die? Oh boy. Okay. Now I should be able to lose life. Check bread node. Yeah, I think it should be working now. Yeah, there we go. It was because I disconnected the signal. Okay, so fix life, that's done. Hide ugly gray. You mean the... Okay, yeah, I need to put up... I do agree with you. I need to put down the black. I just removed the black, actually. Discolor rect. Delete. That's done. Hide ugly gray. Make bread come from tube. Yes, add a tube. Tube. Okay, let's see how that looks like. It probably doesn't look good. Okay, let's just make it tilted. I don't want to think too much about it. Let's just... Oh my god, I can't... I mean, horrible pixel bad stuff, but sorry. Sorry for mutilating your sprites. The wall? Do you mean this wall here? I mean... Yeah, I guess I could just... The original intent is basically gone now, so we just make it go through the tube. Bridge roof. Highly gray, make bread come from tube, move blacks. Yes, okay. So we just need to fix this tube, and then we can do other things with, I don't know how much time we have left. 12 minutes. Oof. Erase the print statements. Okay. Horrible pixel rotation things. Mutilate. Sprite mutilation. Maybe I need to increase. I can like. No, or I think I'm just like not actually fixing the problem, right? I should change the velocity so it looks like it's coming out through the pipe. Yeah, because it's horizontal anyway, so it's never going to be good. Okay, let's just add a thing. Let's add a bread. So, and then that bread is coming out through the bread spawner. So we just make the bread where the bread spawner is. Bread spawner is. Okay. Tube. Maybe it will look better like that. Okay, hold on. No, it's going above. Okay. Do I can just increase the tube? Okay. Okay, maybe I can just shrink it down. Okay, that looks better. It's not perfect, but it's passable. That's what this game jam basically is. Alright. Alright, now time to actually be able to beat the game. Because having 10 sprites at the end was a bit overkill. I mean, there also isn't any novel twist on this. It's more of a modern twist, but it's not novel. I wouldn't say it's novel, but yeah, don't worry about it. Oof, oof. That was... Maybe somebody could make that. Okay, one last life. Okay. Oh. Oh! Oh. Oh. Should probably extend that, huh? 1,000 bread to win. It's pretty hard enough as it is. I don't even know how much it... Okay, let's just do like 4, and then like a gap. And then let's just put this all to 80 seconds. That might just be enough. Well, I don't know the lifetime for each bread, like the actual physical amount of time it takes for each bread. I can't pause. I can just exit out. I just started it. I have 8 minutes left, so I can play test it 8 times. There we go. Oh, I need to remove this first bread. That first bread is not supposed to be there. But we did it. We have successfully programmed a... I guess like this also helps you, Kano. You can... This is a bit more practice for Game Maker 2 Trijam. If you like got 2 of the 3 fields of game study down, got the programming and art. I don't know if you do music at all. Oof. 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 Two. Okay, I don't know how much time that was. Clearly not 80 seconds. Music scary. Big mood. Okay, let's just change the bread spewer. 80 seconds, 70 seconds. First, yeah. Oof. Maybe just 66. Let's just time it. Open up goodbye chat for a bit, but oh, I just started it and I didn't mean to. And then here we go. All right, I'm timing it right now so I know when to kill the animation player. Though I could like, instead of just doing that horrible thing, just like when it ends, I just emit a signal, and then the live container starts a process, and then it just waits for all of the bread to die. That's one way I can do it. Okay, and now I need to like think of a tagline for this game. Like what? Fire is back. Fire. Oof, oh no. Lost a life. I should just make it 2 lives. Maybe that might be too hard. Doot, doot, doot. Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh, I was so close to 1 minute. Ah, darn. Okay. I might actually just do that. If I can't beat this, then I'll just do that process thing I was talking about. How much time do I have left? I have 5 minutes left. Okay, I have 1 more life, but that's fine. This is fine. We can do this. We could beat the game. Okay. Just ask someone in the Mother 4 Discord server, hey, can you make me a piece of music in 5 minutes? Like, hey, yeah, sure. Boop boop boop. Oh no. Okay, I'm just gonna do what I said. I have like 5 minutes to do this. Okay, I can implement this within 5 minutes. Speedrun code time. Speed. Okay. Okay. So when this emits the signal to this thing, we basically just start a process. So process. Oh no, I don't know if I can query if there's. I can just add it to a group. I can add the bread to a group. So I'll add bread to the group bread. So if get tree dot get nodes in group bread equals then we just change the seed. We start with this initially off. Ready, set process false. Making song with PNG to MIDI. Oh my god. That is the true digital audio workstation. Oh my god, I have to actually. Oh no, oh, I've already lost. I've already lost one. It's fine. I don't know if you can actually win, so I don't know how to test that. It's when it's over, right? Oh, I could just set the animation to like be like at the very end, so just set the animation. Oh no, it doesn't start from the beginning. Okay, just how much time do I have left? 2 minutes. Oh no, I have 2 minutes left. Done. Oh my god. Okay, that's more important than this. Oh, it's an MP3. I need you to put it. I need to export it to OGGO wave. Oh no, but the stream delay. Oh no. I need to send. Oh, I can just text you in Discord. Okay. Okay. Faf. Ack. Okay. 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 1 minute 27 seconds. How can I test? And you're able to test if the find file search, find in files, play level 1, animation player, play at time. Is that a thing? Can I play at a time? From n, if custom speed from n is true, from n equals true. Okay. Oh no, but I don't think I can play at time. Okay, done. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Go. Yes. 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 Come on. Come on. Go. Oh no. I don't even know if you can win the game, but that doesn't matter. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, alright. Alright, we did it! We did it, gamers! Okay, we did it. That's it. That's it. 3 hours is done. Oh my god. That was... Oh my god. Perfect. It's... Alright. Okay. Time to export. Alright. Oh my god, now... and tomorrow? Oh my god, but tomorrow's the last day, so... to do 6 hours of game dev tomorrow. Ew. Even it sounds like a shitty show. You may say that. Isn't this game is a bootleg SNES game anyway. Okay, manage. All right. I didn't even remember the Melobytes demo version. At the end of it's so what it just says Melobytes demo or something. Oh, I didn't even make it loop. I didn't import it to loop. Okay, don't worry. We can fudge a bit. Let's just wait for this to download. Okay, Akano, what do you say? Do we make the music loop or do we just keep it as it is? So the 40 seconds into the game, it says mellow demo version. I will cut it, lol. Yeah, so what I'm saying is the game audio doesn't loop. So do we change it and make it loop, because that's really easy, or do we just leave it as it is and keep it frozen in time? Imagine if Godot just crashes here, then I lose all of my progress. All right. I'll make it loopable. Whatever. Oh, it already loops. Haha. Said fixed song. Okay, sure. We can fudge a bit. We can fudge. Mellow fights. GG. Perfect. This is fun. Those last few moments. I mean, there's a loop. Yeah. All right. All right. Let's just balance it a bit. This is a bit. This volume. Turn down the volume a bit. There we go. A bit. There we go. All right, so are we gonna see this song in Mother 4? It should be in Mother 4. All right. Export HTML, macOS. Woo! Bouncy bread. Yes, it's the battle against a foe. It's not any particular foe, just a foe. We just gave up. Let's just copy this for easier. Oh, okay. .ex. Kano's raking up that music credit in Mother 4. Oh, there's no logo. It doesn't matter. I guess I could add. I should take the extra 30 seconds to add a logo. I could just no. Well, yes, I could just add the old bread thing as the logo. Oh, but it's in PNG format. I'm too lazy to. Ugh, my sinuses are acting up. Hopefully, I'm not sick. I'm glad that AI replaces. It's perfect for game jams. Also we need AI sound effects also. AI everything. procedurally generated video games. The game is to create video games. All right. It's live. I don't even know if you can beat the game, but that's not what matters, is it? It's just all of this is just on. Oh no, I don't even know which ones are which. It's fine. Oh, it just overwrote the PCK file for all of them. Maybe I should have put them in separate files, or at least packed in the PCK file for each of them. I need to change that. Not Trijam game. No.
Melobytes demo version.
Oh. Did I not replace it? Oh crap. Oh. Dang. It says Melobytes demo version. Well, I need to re-export anyway, so re-export it. I do too. Sure. Did I not replace it? The fixed version? Did I download song? It's the same thing. It's fine. Flute. Yeah, I guess I just forgot. Da da da. Peak songwriting. Is it here? Huh. Okay. Loop, re-import. Just for good times, good measure shakes. Finally, we get to export. Embed PCK. Embed PCK. Oh, well, it's embedded in the OS X version. Embed PCK. Alright. Export all, release. Do it again. Oh my god. Well, thank you very much for your contribution, Sokano. This would not have been as fun as it was if it were not for your beautiful assets. The song of the decade. Melodyne. Okay. All right. Well, time to make an itch.io page. We didn't get to do lots of these, but that's what the other rounds are for. Let's just X out all of these. So many. Oh no, it's frozen. My computer. Do. Okay. Right. Here you go. You get to interact in the So I gotta rename these because I'm not only making one of these, I'm making 3 of these. So HTML first, I guess. That's what we'll name it. First. Or do I need to make 3 and then I submit it, or can I just make this first iteration and then submit them? Let's check the Trijam rules. How catchy the awful song is. So Trijam is what you try to. For a total of 9 hours. Okay. It would be 3 different builds for a build for every 3 hours. It would give you a nice progression to them. You should submit 1 project with at least 3 builds uploaded. You may have 3, and a web build is the last version. Okay. Maybe I should just zip these into another zip file. What are the rules? Oh yes, I must list the original assets. All right, diversifiers. Let's look at these. Join the Discord. Rate, work with friends. Force them to work with other jammers. Easter eggs referencing each other's games. Record your publish a time-lapse video of the development. Sure, can do that. Video post-mortem, challenge others to upload the source code. Sure, I'll do that. The player's name is a seed to randomize and play. Okay. Make a procedurally generated game in infinitely long level. As for Asset Jam, picture yourself with pets. What theme is your game? Novel twist on classic game. And the classic game is Fire from the Game & Watch, Nintendo Game & Watch. Make it real then. Make a use cryptography. Make a game in the genre. If the original is in 2D and the sequel is in 3D. Make a game with a main menu in a game jam. Wow. Okay. All right. So obviously we're gonna get first place in audio. That's like a given. Okay. Bouncy bread. Oh no. It's a game where you get bread to a basket on the other side of the screen. In development, Upload files. Maybe I should just zip all these. Guys. I should zip the desktop versions. Not all, one. Put bread emojis every. Is that a croissant? Yeah. And then we find out Godot doesn't support Unicode or something. No, it does. HTML first as well. Yeah, Butler seems cool. Should make a GitHub. This is executable. This is the HTML file, so. Oh no, on the game page. Okay, yeah, I'll do that. HTML. This file will be played in the browser. Executable for all three. Executable. How do you want? What were our game's dimensions? Yeah. Yeah. There's some GitHub integrations for it, which is pretty cool. No, stop opening Discord. Okay. What am I looking for? Export. What was I doing? Oh, viewport dimensions. How big should my game be? 30205 1280 820. Is that a thing? Can I set it? Yeah. Automatically started page load. Full screen button. Yeah, sure. Okay, details. Okay, details. Bread emojis. Yeah, you were talking about bread emojis. Yeah. Wait, do I need to submit it with all of my three? Oh, I need to put the contributions as well. It's a game where you bounce the bread to the basket. Oh, that has a nice flow. A game where you bounce the bread to the basket. Build for every 3 hours. There's 3 builds. Okay. There we go. It's a game where you bounce the bread. Well, I mean, sure, but see also. There you go. See also. Potato. I think potatoes are good. Oh, I think I have an idea that I can. Okay. Think about that idea more. So a baguette, potato, croissant. It's croissant here. Here you go. I'm doing what you wanted, Okano. Okay, so two by Okano. How do you want to be credited? I'm just gonna put Okano right now. Might put your, if you want, put your Discord or like a Twitter, whatever. Just tell me what you want. Oof, my stomach rumble. Okada. Okay, okay. Thought you said something. I might just DM you in a bit. Oh, ground. The ground. You did the ground. Put Okano some assets and cool tunes. You're not gonna credit Melodyne for it? Okay. Tunes. Ground and 2 by Okano. Okay, so Sprite Pack. I used a Sprite Pack. I don't think I used anything else, but they might be in the thing. So they might be embedded in the monogram font. Use that. My library, I think it's this. Sprite Pack 4 by Graphics Kid. By Graphics Kid. Game Dev Tools, no. Cool Assets, there we go, there we go. Monogram font. Let's just actually put new lines. I used something else. No. I guess I should just say embedded in the executable. I think that's how you spell it. This car, I don't even know where he got this car. Row house. Oh no, it should be in my itch. It should be in itch.io right now. Open up itch.io. Library. The Barbie. Sprite Pack. Okay, please open. I would like to touch things. Thank you. The car. Oh my god. Pixel car. Who are you by? Last opened 4 hours ago. Oh my god. Okay. Pixel car. It just bounces up and down. So good. I love it. String star fields. Oh, just. Oh crap. Okay. Woo! There we go. Starfields is used. What do I use it for? How we were. Oh, yes, yes. I didn't change the backgrounds of the other two. Yeah, and win loose. Thank you. Tricks. Thanks, tricks. Copy this. And games back by Trixie. Genre, how do we describe it? Simulation, simulated terror, visual novel, survival. No, it's probably just an action game. Tags, single player, pixel art. Nope, not Pixie. Pixel art, jam, anything? Oh, Godot. Oh no, that would go in like dystopian user interface, one button. Oh, I need to put controls as well. Don't forget to put controls. Survival horror. There you go. No links. So game. Let's put experience. Now. Controls. Okay. View page. Oh, did I not save? Oh, save. Oh, I need to add screenshots. Screenshots are important. Okay. Programming. Trijam. Just add your background. Is that it? Is the name? No, it's this one. I need to add screenshots. I'll do it later. I'll do it after the stream. Let's see how this looks like. Save. View page. Loading experience. Oh, failed to find index.html. It's not good. Oh, right. Right. I need to export it again. Let's just delete all the files in there. Delete, move the trash. Index.html. Save. Export project. Save. Okay, sure. The resolution might be too big, but yeah. Edit game. So why delete? Yeah. It refers to other files. Like it might refer to itself. Like I've done that before, and like I've renamed like all the files like index.js, index.html, and it still broke. So it's weird. Why can't I delete it? Oh no. Oh yes. I'd like to delete HTML first. HTML, cool. Compress. HTML first. Oh. There we go. And then when I load it, it should crash because this web browser doesn't. Oh yeah, I don't actually have. It's only 6 megabytes large. Doubt. Delete game. Loading experience for the first time. Fail to find index. Why? Why? No, wait, no, I'd forgot. No, this file will not be played. That file will be played in the browser. Run experience. This should crash when it loads. Like failed to find thing. I guess I can try on my phone, but I don't know. You can try it. You can try it, Okano. So now I just have to ask, like, can I just submit it the first? Like, do I submit it? I kind of just want to submit it now because I might forget later. Announcements. Now you're just watching me use Discord. This is peak streaming. Oh no! What happened? Okay, so we can just do that. Okay, okay, so let's go to Trijam. Submit your project. If you were competitive, you would so significantly beat episode. Edit themes. I guess I should edit themes. For each build. I mean, can I just submit it like that? I feel like I should be able to just submit it like that. Submit, upload, post at any time. Finish up. Okay, we could. Okay, we got the first 3 hours done. I just wait and just submit all at once. Okay. All right. Okay, that's fine. I'll just share it with my friends on Discord. That's like implying that the people in the Mother4 Discord aren't my friends. Let's go to my dashboard. See bread. Okay, published. Let's edit the theme. Edit theme. I just asked my friends to try it out. Anonymous Pro. I mean, sure, this kind of looks bad. It's fine. Actually, the more I think about it. Screenshots. I need to add screenshots, but text background. Let's just make it blue. Make this light blue. Mm. Let's make it homely. Contrast a bit with the colors. There we go. Seems okay. Save. Okay, time to submit. Also make sure that people can use it. Okay. Woo! So, closing thoughts. This was fun. It's funner when it's funner when you have other people making assets. I'll give you that. Yeah. Given that there's one more day, I don't know when to do the next 6 hours. Like tomorrow at 2 p.m. So like, bye for now. Bye, Okado. I just don't know when to do tomorrow at 2 p.m. Like, I have to wake up early, so I have to basically do it today. Probably do it at 9 here. 9, 10. Oh, that's 6 hours though. I'd be up to like 3 hours, so 9 to 12, and then just I don't know. I don't know. It was fun though. I had lots of fun. Thank you all for watching this crazy stream. Goodbye.